After a long wait, it's finally here. Just got in the first Rocket Wing S board. I've been waiting for this board. And here it is. Bam! What a beauty. We got sea breeze today. And go straight down to the bay and give this one a go. This is a 410, 48 liters. And it looks so sick. Can't wait to try this and give you a review of that. Boom, let's do it. First session done on the Rocket S wingboard, 410, 48 liters, and the wind was a little bit up and down at the beginning. I was in the strike 7, a bit of sea breeze on the water. Nice little session. 7 degrees in the water probably, no gloves, no hood, only a little cap. So it's nice. Spring is almost here, but the board felt super nice. Straight away when I got on the board, I was struggling a bit to get up in the sky, because it's like the other boards with the more straight nose sits more on the water. This one goes in the water more. So like when you pump it, it starts to generate speed, and then slowly it lifts up. So it was a different feeling to get started. But with this deck that you are just synced into the deck with your feet, man, you have control. So this board, I can't wait to try this board in proper waves. 48 liters, felt good for my 90 kilos. So I think this is going to be the board.
I'm ordering one.
You're ordering one. So we are really hard to get these ones. But if you get your hands on one, take it. Amazing board.